Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome in today's science revision class. Children, today we will do the revision of the lesson number 12 air, water, and weather. As by your name, you can understand. In this lesson, we will read about the air, different types of weather, and water cycle. Let's read. I'm going to share one PDF where you will find the book pages. After that, we will do some new worksheets. Children, what we will read in this lesson? What does air contains? Air में क्या क्या होता है? Air contains different types of gases, smoke, and dust particles, germs, and water cycle in the nature, and factors that affects the weather and different types of seasons in India, children. Okay, what you can see in this picture, match the things with their correct weather. In sunny days, when what are sunny days? When sun is very high, it is called sunny day. And sunny day, what do you wear? You will wear this cap, this type of to avoid, to keep yourself safe from the hot sun rays. And this is the woolen cap. Woolen cap when you wear, beta. Woolen cap you wear in winter season. When you wear in, or you can say cold day. On which day? Cold day. Woolen cap you wear on the cold day. And this is the raincoat. When you wear raincoat on a rainy day. And these are the gum boots when you wear these on a rainy day. And these type of soft drinks you like to drink on a sunny day. Na? Lot of water comes out from your body and you need much more water. You feel thirsty and you will like to drink soft drink on a sunny days. And this is the sweater. You will wear these type of sweaters on cold day, children. Na? And children, as we live on the earth and 3/4 of the earth is filled with water. Huh? That's why our earth is known as water cycle. But water always remains same. ये water हमेशा बना रहता है कैसे? Because as the sun rises in the morning, it what it does, it gets hots the air present. ये इसके चारों ओर की जो air होती है उसको heat up कर देता है. Heat, and the hot air is light, and it evaporate from here and it goes to air, and this is the process by which water changes into water vapor is known as evaporation. The question can be asked, name the process in which water changes into water vapor. Then what you will write? Evaporation. The question can become the process by which water gets heated and it goes into atmosphere. You will write evaporation. And what is condensation? It is just the opposite of the evaporation. The process by which water vapor changes into water. ये जो water vapor ऊपर गया, it condenses and again changes into water. This process is known as condensation. Due to heating की वजह से water vapor होता है और condensation के लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? Cooling. Yes. What happens in water cycle? Water evaporate due to heat of the sun. Water evaporate, it goes into air, and at the here it is the temperature is cold, and it changes, it condenses and forms water, and it forms clouds, water droplets. These join together and form a clouds, and these clouds when become very heavy, they fall on the earth like a rain, and this rainy water goes again into these type of water bodies. These cycle continuous in the nature throughout the year. Throughout this process is called water cycle. Children, what does air contains? Air contains many gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and all living things need oxygen to live. And plant use carbon dioxide to prepare food. Air also contains water vapor. We have done this activity, and what does this activity shows? That air contains water vapor. आप कोल्ड वाटर को from the refrigerator, pour into a dry glass, you will find after some time you will see some water droplets around the surface of the glass. From where it comes? As the air present around it, it touches the cool surface of this glass, the water vapor due to cold temperature changes into water. The condensation process take place and water droplets we will found here. This activity shows that water vapor is present. Na? And children, the weather of a place at any time is the condition of air over that place. वेदर क्या होता है? उस जगह की एयर का कंडीशन होता है. यदि हॉट है तो वेदर हॉट होगा, कोल्ड है तो कोल्ड होगा. इफ इट इज ह्यूमिड देन इट इज ह्यूमिड. The wind which blows from sea to the land during the day is known as sea breeze, and the wind which blows from land to sea at night is known as land breeze. And in nature, evaporation and condensation take place repeatedly. Evaporation और condensation nature में होता है. अब जब हवा समुद्र से चलती है तो सी ब्रीज कहलाती है, जब हवा लैंड से चलती है तो we call it land breeze. Yes. Yes, children, let's do the book exercises of the lesson. Yes. This is the importance of water cycle. What is the importance of water cycle? The water cycle brings rain, and rainfall helps the crops to grow. Grow करने में मदद करती है and refills our lakes, ponds, river and well. जो ये evaporation के process से ये सब चीजें जो ऊपर चली गई थी वो कैसे आती है? वो water cycle से वापस रिफिल हो जाता है. द वाटर साइकिल चेंजेस सॉल्टी सी वाटर इनटू फ्रेश वाटर. जो फ्रेश वाटर होता है वो इवेपोरेट होके, सॉल्टी वाटर होता है इवेपोरेट होके ऊपर चला जाता है एंड सॉल्ट नीचे बच जाता है, जिसको रिफाइन करके हम लोग फैक्ट्रीज में उसको ये सॉल्ट बनाते हैं. और जो बारिश होती है तो कौन सा वाटर आता है? इट्स फ्रेश वाटर. नाउ चिल्ड्रन टेल मी ट्रू और फॉल्स. Moving air is called wind. It is true. And a wind that blows gently is called gale. And air contains only gases. This is false. A wind that blows gently is called gale. No, it is called breeze. It is false. Air contains only gases. No, it contains dust particles, germs, smoke, na? So it is false. Water evaporates into sky during the water cycle. True. Plants do not give out water vapor. It is false, na? The water cycle changes salty water into fresh water. It is true. You can find from here. It is true, dear. Na? ये बात सही है. And children, I will ask some questions. You open the page number, that is 166. We will do this worksheet, but first I want the revision of this. You all open your book and the page number 116. Air contains gases, water vapor, or both of these. Of course, both of these. A strong wind, usually with rain and thunder, is called storm. And in the water cycle, condensation takes place in air. And fourth is warm air is light. In summer, the days are mostly hot. This is I'm talking about this page number 116. Okay, you will read this page again and again. We have already done in the previous class, we have done what is the humid with a lot of water vapor is called humid. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day condition of the air around us, such as wind, rain, and temperature. Okay, children. Now, we are going to do some worksheets. I am giving you some worksheets and I will load that on your Edunix app also. Let's revise. Let's do together. Okay? अब हम लोग उस वर्कशीट को साथ साथ में करते हैं. Okay, children? This is the lesson Air, Water and Weather and the worksheet number 1. Water heats up and rises in the form of, let's write. यहाँ हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? Okay? Read the question again. What is here? Water heats up and rises in the form of. Water किस form में ऊपर जाता है? याद करो. It is vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R. Vapor. India has 3 main seasons. Winter and summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, and rainy. The main 3 seasons are winter, summer, and rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season, na? When there is a lot of water vapor in the air, जब air में बहुत सारा water vapor होता है, we say the air is humid. हम क्या कहते हैं? Air कैसी है? Humid. H-U-M-I-D. Humid or moist. Okay, children. The process by which water gets heated and rises up in the air is called evaporation. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation. And children, flowers bloom all around in which season? Flower किस season में bloom करता है? Of course, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. And tell me one thing. In which season flowers shades their leaves? अपनी पत्तियां किस season में गिराते हैं? Autumn. Now come to the next. Wind blowing, match the column. Wind blowing gently is called, क्या कहलाता है? It calls breeze. जो gentle wind बहती है उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Breeze. You will match with 1 number. Breeze. इसको मैं यहाँ सामने में लिख दूँ तुमको समझ में आएगा. It is 1 number. Breeze. Okay? Now, a strong wind. Yes, strong wind. What you will write? It will call gale at it and you will write this number 2. You will write here the number 2. And strong with rain and thunder is called a storm. क्या कहलाता है? ये storm कहलाता है. Then you will write here number 3. And shading of leaves is known as autumn. What it is called? Autumn. Number 4. And hot season, it is summer. What you will write here? Number 5. Okay? You all will match this. Let's do the another book exercise. चलो अब दूसरी book exercise the worksheets करते हैं. You all will get these worksheets on your Edunix app. अभी आप क्वेश्चन को समझ लो. जब हम लोग Edunix app पे I will share this in e-content from there of the lesson. इसी lesson के काम में आप हम documents करते हैं ना load. Where I will load it. Day to day condition of air around us. Day to day air की condition होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? It is known as weather of that place. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. It is called weather. Come to the second one, the process by which water from the ocean rises in the air. जो इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? Evaporation. Evaporation. Okay, come to the third one. The season when it is cold and snows are in the mountain. Very easy. The season is called winter. Winter. Moving air is called this. मूविंग एयर को और हम क्या कहते हैं? विंड कहते हैं. बिल्कुल कॉमन लैंग्वेज में व्हाट वी से? विंड. The process by which solid forms of water changes into liquid. Melting. MELTING. It is known as melting. Now come to the second one. Write true or false. Gentle moving wind is called gale. No, it is false. ये क्या है? False. It is called gale नहीं कहते ना. Gentle moving wind is called breeze ना. इसको मैं कैपिटल लेटर में कर दूं, then it will be easy for you ना. Okay, what you will write here? Here you will write false. Now come to the second one. Water cycles make salty water fit for drinking. Of course it is true. Salt कहाँ रह जाता है? अर्थ पे रह जा, धरती पे रह जाता है और वाटर बाहर ऊपर चला जाता है. And again when fresh water cycle से fresh water आता है ना. After monsoon season, we see spring in some part of India. It is false, dear, na? Come to the next. Warm air is light. Yes, warm air तो light होती है. Clouds block sunlight. Of course, when there is cloud in the sky, can you see the sun? No, you are not able to see the sun. Then it is the cloud blocks the sunlight. It is true. It is true, my dear. Okay, you all will be able to do this. Okay, dear. You will read the lesson again and again, and then you will complete these worksheets as well as book exercises. In book exercises, there are different things. You have to match it. आपको ये सारी book exercise you have to read. Huh? And children, give 2 examples, types of wind. You can write any 2 types of wind ना. आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. Gale and storms are the type of wind. Types of weather, any 2 you can write. Winter, summer. Types of weather, hot, sunny, and type of season, winter, summer. Things you would like to drink in winter, soup, and आप क्या पीना पसंद करते हो? Coffee ना. Okay, I hope you all have done this. Air contains water vapor, this, and the picture you can identify easily. Suppose any picture of this, any season picture can come and you can identify this is the picture of which season and it's in which month it comes. You can tell me? Yes. Summer months come from in the month of summer. कब आता है month? April to June. And monsoon, you can identify the picture and tell the name of the months. The monsoon is from July to September. And next is winter. Winter is from December to February. And the rainy season, after the rainy season is followed by very short autumn season. It comes in the month of October and November. And in the autumn season, trees shade their leaves. And spring comes in the north part of the India. And it comes in the month of February and March. if this type of question will come, you all will be able to solve it. Yes, water vapor, clouds, weather is the, what is weather? Weather means the day to day condition of the air of that particular place, and weather changes टाइम टू टाइम, एंड आप लगातार वेदर जो है वो चेंज होता रहता है किसी भी जगह का. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस. आप लोग ये सब कर सकते हो. रीड ईच एंड एवरी लाइन ऑफ द लेसन, and the multiple choice type of question will come, that is take the correct option. You read the lesson and complete these 2 worksheets. इन worksheets को भी आप learn करोगे. Okay, bye bye, meet you soon in the next class, and we will do the revision of the another